Are you a beginner marketer struggling with email marketing? Don't worry, you're not alone. Email marketing can seem complex, teeming with strategies, techniques, and metrics. These can be overwhelming for newbies. But don't fret. Unlock the secrets to building a seven-figure online business with ethical email marketing. Get your copy now. We've got some easy-to-follow tips that can help you navigate through this. Before we dive into our welcome series, let's take a step back and navigate the basics of email marketing. It's essential to understand how this powerful tool works and what it can do for your business. Email marketing is more than just sending emails. It's about building relationships with your customers, keeping them engaged, and turning them into loyal fans. Here's a quick rundown. You attract potential customers with enticing content, you capture their email addresses, and then you nurture this relationship through consistent, valuable communication. This communication can take the form of newsletters, promotional emails, personalized offers, and more. A well-executed email marketing strategy can significantly boost your sales and enhance your brand's reputation. This is where our guide comes in. Unlock the secrets to building a seven-figure online business with ethical email marketing. Get your copy now. This guide will walk you through all the strategies, techniques, and metrics you need to know to excel in email marketing. Remember, the link is in the description. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to creating a compelling welcome series for non-buyers. Firstly, kickstart the relationship with your subscribers with a warm welcome series. This is your chance to make a stellar first impression. Provide that promised discount code and introduce your brand, your mission, and your team. Highlight the unique features of your products and the benefits of shopping with you. Don't forget to showcase testimonials and reviews, a form of social proof that can help convert these subscribers into customers. Remember, a great welcome series can set the tone for a fruitful relationship with your subscribers. Next, never underestimate the power of a simple thank you email. This small act of gratitude can solidify relationships, make customers feel valued, and even alleviate any post-purchase doubts. Remember, a happy customer is more likely to share their positive experiences, so don't shy away from using this opportunity to encourage reviews and feedback. Moreover, fostering an interactive community by inviting questions and comments not only enriches customer experience, but also provides a platform for continuous learning. A well-crafted thank you email can go a long way in building a loyal customer base. Lastly, let's delve into strategic discount offerings and utilizing customer feedback. Offering discounts in the welcome series is a smart way to incentivize purchases. It's like dangling a carrot in front of potential customers, urging them to take the plunge. But remember, these discounts must align with the value you've promised to your subscribers. Now let's switch gears to feedback. Your thank you email is a perfect place to gather reviews. This feedback is crucial for your brand's reputation and continuous improvement. Remember, your customers' feedback is a goldmine of information. Use it wisely to improve and grow. So to sum it up, a successful email marketing strategy hinges on a well-crafted welcome series, heartfelt customer thank you emails, active community engagement, strategic discount offerings, and effective use of customer feedback. With these tips, you're well on your way to mastering the art of email marketing. Good luck! Before we wrap up, I want to share with you an exclusive opportunity. If you're serious about taking your email marketing to the next level, you won't want to miss this. Unlock the secrets to building a seven-figure online business with ethical email marketing by getting your copy of our comprehensive guide. It's filled with advanced strategies, tips, and real-life case studies that will help you craft a powerful email marketing campaign. So what are you waiting for? Get your copy now and start your journey to success. Remember, the secret to your seven-figure online business is just one click away. Are you ready to take the leap and bring your email marketing game to new heights? We bring you the opportunity to unlock the secrets to building a seven-figure online business with ethical email marketing. Get your hands on our comprehensive guide today. This guide is loaded with advanced strategies, practical tips, and real-life case studies that will empower you to design and execute a potent email marketing campaign. With every page, you'll be one step closer to your successful online business. The link to get your copy is in the description below. Don't wait. The secret to your seven-figure online business is just one click away.